go.
So you're in D1, so we're going to be in race 1.
There we go.
So hit that twice as soon as you take off, eh? That's nice. Okay, 100 metres left. Tight left. Straight. 100 metres right. Then a left. And straight. Yeah. 100 metres chicane. Yeah. 50 metres tight right. And quick left. Open her up. Get out of this bad boy. 60. 100 metres left. Beautiful. Very nice. 100 chicane. Nice. Tight right. Goat track. Left, coming into gate. 100 metres left, watch out for the curb. Beautiful. That big roundabout. Very nice. That's it, beautiful. That's it. 100 tight left, curb right hand side. Go right, and then left. Beautiful. Back to your right. 100 metres, finish. Tight left. Oh, lovely. 2:24, buddy. Fucking beauty. Took 3 seconds off the second run. Beautiful, man. Very nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
Fuck, it feels heaps better with that suspension, eh?
Oh, doesn't it? Very nice.
I reckon you'll get that down to 2:20. 2 more runs.
Oof. Fuck me.
That'll get you up a few posies, eh? Oh, you know what we've got to do?
What?
You go for it.
Oh, I turned it on.
Oh, did you?
Turn it off. I don't know.